Hey guys, this is Zach Jessup with O&M Marine. Gonna go over one of the new Predator series boats we just got in. Pretty cool setup. We'll go over it starting at the back. Coming in hot with the GTR 40 XD. And this is the Predator hull, 1850. So it's got that real nice rounded chime cut everybody likes. Very stable. Hunt deck off the back. In the Predator series too, you come in with the full bigger cap rail with the rub rail on the outside and the T-rail coming in on the inside. This option here on the back is a little different, something I don't think you've seen. This is a cool new option. This is going to be that rear gun box option, which is cool.
Brad, you have a customer at the service desk. Brad, you have a customer at the service desk.
Very cool option there. Lockable. You see their new switch panel over there as well. That's kind of built into the side of the boat. Comes with a nice cup holder there too. Standard switch panel like you've seen. For nav lights, bilge pumps, any other options. This one's got the spud pole kit in it that mounts right to the side of the boat. It's got two spaces at the rear, one at the bow. It's got the nice hydro turf all through the floor too. It's got the underdeck fuel tank there. You just pull that out. Standard 4-foot front deck. Seat base here. Front latch. Got your trolling motor pad. Trolling motor pre-wire as well, and then it's got the Rigid Industries Dualies light bar up here with the nice Gator tail housing. These boats riding on the galvanized McLean trailer, galvanized wheel. This one is actually in one of my favorite camo patterns. This is the Gator grass, but this is an 1850 Predator series Gator tail. This is one we've got here at O&M Marine.